Hey Sam. Today, we're going to learn the word
insgesamt,
Hi Alex. What does
insgesamt,
mean?
insgesamt,
means in total or altogether. It's often used when summarizing amounts or totals. The most common usage is in calculations or listings. Just be careful, though, it might be confused with the English word insignificant, but they are quite different.
That's interesting. So, how do we use
insgesamt,
grammatically?
Great question. It's an adverb, so it doesn't have a gender or plural form like nouns. You can use
insgesamt.
in sentences like
Es kostet insgesamt 10 Euro.
which means it costs 10 euros in total.
So, it doesn't change form like verbs or nouns.
Exactly. It stays the same regardless of who you're talking about. You could say,
Insgesamt waren wir 5 Personen.
meaning in total, we were 5 people.
That makes sense. Where does the word
insgesamt,
come from?
Insgesamt. Gesamt.
Meaning total. The word
Gesamt.
itself has its origins in the Old High German word,
Gisam.
which means together.
Wow, I love learning about the history of words.
It is fascinating. Now, let's break it down a bit more. The prefix means in, and the root
Gesamt.
refers to total. Together, it builds the idea of something being complete or whole.
So, it's kind of like assembling pieces to make a whole.
Exactly. Just like building with Lego blocks. Each piece contributes to the final meaning.
Can you give me some similar words?
Sure. Here are some examples. First, we have
Gesamt.
on its own, which means total. Then, there's
Gesamtbetrag.
which means total amount. Another one is
Gesamtschule.
meaning comprehensive school. Also, consider
Gesamtleistung.
which means overall performance.
So, they all relate to the idea of totality.
Yes. Then, we have words like
Insgesamt.
and,
Insgesamt gesehen.
which translates to looking at it overall. This shows how it can be used in different contexts.
That's so helpful. Can you give me some real-life situations where I might use
insgesamt,
Of course. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You might say,
Insgesamt haben wir 3 Gerichte bestellt.
meaning in total, we ordered 3 dishes.
Got it. What's another situation?
Let's say you're discussing your finances. You could say,
Insgesamt habe ich 200 € gespart.
which means in total, I saved €200.
And what's a third situation?
While traveling, you might say,
Insgesamt haben wir 10 Tage in Deutschland verbracht.
meaning we spent 10 days in Germany in total.
I'll try.
Insgesamt haben wir 3 Gerichte bestellt.
Perfect.
What about gender hints for?
Insgesamt.
Since it's an adverb, it doesn't have gender. But remember the root word
Gesamt.
is often related to totality, which can help you visualize it as a big picture.
That's a good way to remember it.
Now, let's cover some usage notes.
Insgesamt.
Is quite neutral and can be used in both formal and informal situations. Common phrases include
Insgesamt gesehen.
for overall,
Insgesamt betrachtet.
for considering everything, and
Insgesamt haben wir.
meaning in total, we have.
Are there any similar words I should watch out for?
Yes. Be careful with,
Insignificant.
which means insignificant. They might sound similar, but their meanings are quite different.
Can you give me some example sentences using?
Insgesamt.
Sure. Here's one.
Insgesamt waren die Ergebnisse positiv.
Meaning overall, the results were positive. Another one is,
Wir haben insgesamt 5 Stunden gewartet.
which means we waited in total for 5 hours.
I see. What's another?
Insgesamt gab es 10 Teilnehmer.
Which means there were 10 participants in total.
This is fun.
Let's do a little recall check. What does
Insgesamt.
mean?
It means in total or altogether.
Correct. Can you give me a sentence using it?
Insgesamt haben wir 3 Gerichte bestellt.
Exactly. What's the origin of the word?
It comes from and.
Gesamt.
Nice. Is it an adverb or a noun?
An adverb.
Right again. And last question, can you think of a similar word?
Gesamt.
Perfect. You've got it. To summarize,
Insgesamt.
is a useful adverb that means in total. It helps to summarize amounts in a clear way. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better.
Thanks, Alex. I appreciate your help.